Hey you guys, how you doing? How you doing? I want to go ahead and show you my new hair that I got, and it is from my infamous Dyhair777. Love my Dyhair777. So you know it's spring, it's blooming to be spring, and since it's blooming to be spring, in other words, I wanted to go ahead and order my spring and summer hair. So we want to get that vacay hair going. So I want to get that vacation here, and I wanted to show you the little things that they gave me. They give you a card right here so you can get a discount, and it shows you how to take care of the hair. And they also gave me a cute little pen. It says sweet on there, little diamond pen. I don't know if you can really see that. There we go. It says sweet, little hairpin. So so we want to get ready. You know, it's getting ready to be well, it's getting ready to be, it's right here on the cusp of spring and summer, and you know we want that vacation hair. And most of the time when it comes to vacation, I usually do a nice wig for real quick, or I'll do a I would get braids. And a lot of times, since I do a lot of auditioning for different things, I gotta look like my headshot, so I get braids. I can't really get the braids and then have to go in for the audition and look like my headshot, because I don't have any headshots look like braids. So I usually try to do the wigs. Sometimes you get your down season, so I have my down season where I might get braids. But this is what we got right here. This is an 18-inch Peruvian 100% human hair. Let me let you see that. I don't know if I can see. Can barely even see that. Focus on that. But anyway, you can focus on that. Can't even see. In the net, and I got a loose wave wig. So we got the loose wave 18-inch, if you could possibly see that. Pretty curls. So this is a 1B, and you know you got your lace, and it's the, you know, it's a light brown lace or whatever, your baby hairs, your combs, all that good stuff. So yeah, I usually know how that goes. So it's very pretty, it's very soft. Like I said, it's a 1B, and I got a couple of wigs as 1B, but I'm not really a fan of it. I haven't colored them because I'm just lazy, but I'm about to color this one. I'm about to color this one just black. I like my hair looking more black, sleek, sheen, unless I'll do a color, a bleach or something like that, or a honey blonde or something like that. But 9 times out of 10 I usually buy it that color. Might have to tone the bleach, but anyway, I went on and got this, and these are looking at these pretty curls in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and color this baby black, and then after I color it all black, I'm going to come back and show you how I get this just to put on, and then we'll go and see what it look like. Okay, so that's what we working with. Very pretty. So I never had any complaints about Dyhair777, so hopefully won't be no complaints now, which I doubt. So all right, so we'll be back so you can see, get back to see the rest of what I do. Right, so I'm here with the wig, and I'm getting ready to get my thing on. I put my alcohol and stuff here, so we're gonna try to. I didn't put no elastic band in the back, because sometimes that be irritating my head, so I didn't put none. So let me put a clip on here so I can clip this hair out of the way, but I put this gel on it. Since I'm going out of town, I don't want no problems, so I'm gonna put this gel on here, just right through here. And I just shampooed my hair, shampooed and conditioned it, and just swooped it, just sucked it on back. And that's what we doing. sides off too, so I'm gonna have to look and see, because I don't like that irritate my ear and have that down there. A lot of times that don't even stay. Keep trying to put stuff on it to get to stick down. So we gonna work on that. We gonna work on that. So I'm gonna give this some time to dry a little bit, and we'll be back. Alrighty, so just went and sprayed some little bit of I went and sprayed some little bit of the spray, and I'm using, you know, this glue, and we get ready to go. I'm ready to go and take that and pat your girl on down, and get that on down. So let me these little sides, because these little sides be, like I said, be wearing your sister out. I think I cut most of that off, but it be cutting the side of my ear, and I can feel it now. I'm gonna have to cut. I can't do it around my ear like that. It be bothering me. Try not to cut too much of the hair out. Damn, ooh, I have to cut. I think I cut too much of the chunk. Ooh. I can't have it like that. That drives me insane. I don't know about y'all. It's that rubbing, you know, around your ear. It be hurting. I be pulling and yanking. And I know it don't do me no good. So, okay, let me make sure I ain't cutting the wrong thing. So I went in and put some more powder on here to make it look more natural. And I took my little stick right here and went in and Put that right through the part so I can help camouflage some of that. Let me see if I put some powder on there too. How would that look? Just right up there, even more, to make it look more natural. And I got my little stick, wax stick, to make some of this hair lay down. I try not to put too much where it'll be looking too shiny on there. And so, and this is what we working with. So once I get everything and all dressed and get all situated, I'll show you the rest. But this is what we're looking at. Like I said, this is 18 inches, and it is cut around the face. So I didn't cut it, so they cut it. I thought they might cut some layers in it, but they just cut around the face. So put a little bit more water up here. And so that's what we did. There you go. So I put that on there, put that powder, and then put my concealer down the middle. And that's what we doing. This is how it looks. Now this is 18 inch and 130 density. Come all the way down here. That's 18 inch. So yeah, that's a good length. It's kind of seem a little longer than what I thought it was. I don't like too thick, but this is a little thin to me. Even though it's curly, so maybe when it dries, it's gonna poof up to me a little bit more. It's a little thin to me. This is Brazilian. No. Take it back. Peruvian hair. So it still looks very pretty. Like I said, this is just water conditioner. It still looks very pretty. You know, it's just a little thinner than what I thought, but it, to me, kind of looks natural. I'm gonna turn around and let you see, if you can see the back. See what I'm working with. And once I get myself totally together, I'll let y'all see the final project. But that's what I'm working. It's really cute. I got it, I got it hooked up. I got it together. So, yeah. I got it together. It takes a couple of years off of me, I think. Get these pounds off. Take a couple more years off. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so this is what we got. This is cute. And this is from Dyhair777, my favorite place. And so that you see. And it's pretty. It feels wonderful. Like I said, I colored it black because it was 1B. It was kind of dark, but I wanted it black. So, and that's why I had the problem with the lace like I had, because I didn't bleach the knots, which probably would have been better if I went on and bleached the knots, but didn't feel like it, so I put the makeup on it, and it does good. It camouflages really well. It does really well. So, like I said, like you can see. So, the result, even with my little baby hairs in the part, this is how we looking. So I just wetted it some more with some water, with some conditioner in it, and that's how we going. So we get ready to go hang out. So I hope you guys like the wig, and then until next time.